Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. I need you be like. 1. I need you to reach the top shelf. Reason you're the tallest in the room. 2. I need you to remind me where I left my phone. Reason somehow you always know. 3. I need you to taste this food first. Reason safety tester activated. 4. I need you to tell me the truth. Reason honest comrades are priceless. 5. I need you to cheer me up. Reason your smile is contagious. 6. I need you to explain the instructions. Reason they look like a puzzle. 7. I need you to help carry the groceries. Reason my arms are always on vacation. 8. I need you to wake me up tomorrow. Reason my alarm and I aren't getting along. 9. I need you to save my seat. Reason good seats disappear fast. 10. I need you to take a group photo. Reason you're the best photographer. 11. I need you to solve this problem. Reason 2 minds are better than 1. 12. I need you to make me laugh. Reason laughter makes the day brighter. 13. I need you to remember my birthday. Reason bonus points if there's a cake. 14. I need you to water my plants. Reason they deserve drink too. 15. I need you to keep me motivated. Reason encouragement goes a long way. 16. I need you to find the TV remote. Reason it has entered another dimensions. 17. I need you to share your snacks. Reason sharing is caring, right? 18. I need you to help me practice. Reason practice builds confidence. 19. I need you to watch my bag for a minute. Reason teamwork makes life easier. 20. I need you to tell a funny joke. Reason everyone needs a good laugh. 21. I need you to help decorate. Reason you have a great idea. 22. I need you to remind me to relax. Reason everyone needs a break. 23. I need you to read my message before I send it. Reason fresh eyes catch mistakes. 24. I need you to be patient with me. Reason learning takes time. 25. I need you to celebrate small wins with me. Reason every victory matters. 26. I need you to keep me company. Reason everything is fun together. 27. I need you to believe in me. Reason support builds confidence. 28. I need you to remind me to smile. Reason smile are contagious. 29. I need you to help make today awesome. Reason positive teamworks powerful. 30. I need you because good comrade makes life brighter. Reason kindness, support, and laughter are always better when shared. Sometimes I need you is all about being dependent. It's about being appreciating the people who makes life a little easier, happier, and a lot more fun. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.